Thank you for stopping by. I am Tutor Cletus Okoli. Today I will teach converting between units of length. How we can change from one unit of length to another. So you can see from my diagram, I have millimeters, centimeters, meters, and kilometers. And I have numbers written 10, 100, 1000 on how we can switch from one unit of length to another unit of length, because it's a very important topic that we meet every day in our lives. So from mm to cm, I divide the number by 10. From cm to meters, I divide by 100. From meters to kilometers, I divide by 1000. But when I want to convert from kilometers back to meters, I multiply by 1000. If I want to convert from meters to centimeters, I multiply by 100. And if I want to convert from centimeters to meters, I multiply by 10. I have 25 examples that we will do together and we learn together. Cletus Okoli is my name, Tutor Cletus Okoli. So I have it. First question, 8,000 meters. 8,000 meters. How do we convert it to kilometers? We divide by 1000. From the arrow, meters to kilometers, I divide by 8,000. And when I divide this, I simply get 8 kilometers. Meaning that 8,000 meters is equal to 8 kilometers. Divided by 1000. So I have question number 2. 20 mm to centimeters. From mm to centimeters, I divide by 10. And my answer will be 2. Okay? 2 centimeters make 20 millimeters. 20 mm is equal to 2 centimeters. Simply divide by 10. Question number 3. I have 4.5 km. I want to change it to meters. From km to meters, I simply multiply by 1000. And to multiply 4.5 by 1000, it will give me 4,500. Okay? It's very easy. What you need to know is to know when to multiply and what to multiply with. To multiply by 10, to multiply by 100, to multiply by 1000. Are you supposed to divide by 10 or by 100 or by 1000? Everything about units of length has to do with the 10, 100, and the 1000. So I have question number 4. Watch the movement of the arrow. You will know what to do. And you don't need a calculator to do this. Alright? So I have number 4. 34.6, 34.6. I want to convert that 4.6 centimeters to meters. What does it mean? From centimeters to meters, I divide by 100. So I divide 34.6 by 100. It will give me 0.346. Answer. I have number 5. What answer do you have in your mind? Have the answer in your mind so that we see if it is correct. I have 8.54 centimeters. I want to move it to millimeters. So from cm to mm, I multiply by 10. So my answer is 85.4. Is your own answer correct? I go to number 4. cm to mm, I multiply by 4 by 10, and that is going to give me 40. We move to number 7. cm to meters. From cm to meters, I simply do what? cm to meters. I simply divide by 100. So this is going to give me 3. Meaning that 3 meters is equal to 300 centimeters. I have next, number 8. 620 cm to meters. What will I do? From cm to meters, I divide by 100. So my answer will be 6.2. I go to number 9. What will be your answer? We want to convert 7.2 meters to centimeters. 7.2 meters to centimeters. So we are multiplying by 100. So what will be your answer? Mine is 710 centimeters. So 7.1 meters is equal to 710 centimeters. Like I said, don't press your phone calculator. Don't press any calculator by your side. Work with your mind. It is easy to divide by 10, to divide by 100, to divide by 1000. It is also easy to multiply by 10, to multiply by 100, and to multiply by 1000. They are very easy. I am going into the second column. I want you to get the answers correctly now in your mind before I put down my own answer. So, number 10, we do it together. 1,860 meters. I want to convert it to kilometers. Look at my meters. I want to go to kilometers. You know, I will divide by 1000. Divide your own in your mind. Don't use calculator. Don't use your phone calculator. What is your answer? Mine is 1.86. That is my answer. I go to number 11. 35 mm to cm, mm to cm, I divide by 10. Mine is 3.5. What is your own answer? I go to number 12. I have 2,500 meters. I want to convert it to kilometers. From meters to kilometers, I divide by 1,000. My answer is 2.5. What is your own answer? It is easy thing to do. Your mind can do it. I have again 7.5 km to meters. I want to move from km to meters. I multiply by 1,000. What is your answer? My own answer is 7,500. 7,500. I want to move cm to mm. Look at cm to mm. Okay? I will multiply by 10. So when I multiply 3.74 centimeters by 10 to get mm, so that is going to be 37.4. Okay? Very good. Now, in number 15, 8.9 meters. I want to convert it to centimeters. What is your answer? You can look at the diagram. Meters to centimeters, meters to centimeters. What do you supposed to do? Multiply that 8.9 by 100. Use your mind. Move it 2 steps to the right, and that will give us 870 answer. We go to number 16 together. I am moving from kilometers to meters. We are changing between units of length. From one unit of length to another unit of length. Still units of length. Converting between units of length. How do we switch it? How do we convert from one unit of length to another? It is very easy. We simply play around 10, 100, and 1,000. Dividing and multiplying. As simple as that. I have 0.2 km. I want to move it to meters. Km to meters multiplied by 1,000. My answer is 200. What is the answer? I think you got this one. Alright. Okay. This answer, if you have somebody by your side, tell the person your answer. Don't have it in mind. Assuming there are 2 of you that are watching this my video now. We are in number 17. 2 of you. Tell that person your answer. That person should tell you your own, his or her own answer. 0.03 km to meters. What answers do you have in your mind? If you are watching it alone, what is your answer? I want to get the answer now. Okay? Do you know you can do your children's homework at home? Those that are in primary 4, 5, and 6. Even those that are in JS1, JS2, JS3. Some of these things comes out. Do you know you can help them? They don't need to return back to school without doing their homework, without doing their assignment, just because they are given to convert units of length. It looks somehow. Okay, look at it now. I have 0.03 km to meters. I multiply by 1,000, and my answer will be 30. Did you get it? Did you get it? You that is looking at me. You that is looking at me. I asked you, did you get it? You got it. Okay. Good. Number 18. mm to meters. From mm to meters. See it here from mm to meters. Look at it. I divide by 10, I divide by 100. That means I'll be dividing by 1,000. So when I divide 9,000 mm to get the answer in meters, my answer will be 9. I want to divide by 1,000 from mm to meters. From millimeters to meters. I divide by 1,000, my answer is 9. We are in the last column. This last column, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Minimum you can get is 4 over 7. That is pass mark. Okay? Give yourself benefit of doubt. I mean the you now that is looking at me, that is watching this video now. We have 7 questions. I want to assess you. Be honest to yourself. These things are easy. Okay? They are very, very easy. Remember to subscribe. That is the only way you can support me. See, they don't deduct your 1 kobo, your 1 cent, or your 1 pence for subscribing. And when you subscribe, then you also click on the notification button so that each time I upload a video, you can easily get it. Maths is fun. Maths is life. Okay? Good. Now, 7 questions. We will do it together. You'll be seeing the answers in your mind or telling the person by your side. And by the time we do these 7 questions, we do it fast. Within the shortest time now, we are done. In the moment now, we are done. Fast. 1 minute is enough to finish all of them. So, what are your answers? What are your answers? Because we want to get the answer. Number 19. 0.6 meters to mm. meters to mm, I multiply by 1000. My answer is 600. Why? From m to centimeters, I multiply by 100. From cm to mm, I multiply by 10. That means I will multiply by 100. Next, km to meters. From km to meters, I multiply by 1000. That will give me 80. 21. 0.2 meters to mm. Meters to mm. I multiply by 100, I multiply by 10. That means I will multiply by 1000. That is 200. Next, number 22. 1820 mm to meters. Look at mm. I am going to meters. I divide by 10. I divide by another 100. That means I will be dividing by 1000. Meaning, when I divide by 1000, I get 1.82. I go again. From km to centimeters. Look at it. Km to centimeters. I will multiply by 1000. I'll multiply by another 100. That means I will be multiplying by 100,000. So when I multiply this 0.005 by 100,000, it is going to give me 1, 2, 3, done. That is 500. Okay? So from 0.005 km to centimeters, I will get 500 centimeters. Now I have again cm to kilometers. Look at cm. I am going far to km. Divide by 100, divide again by 1000. That means I will be divided by 100,000. So when I divide this by 100,000, 1, 2, 3, 4. 100,000, that is 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 0.7. The last but not the least, I am moving from mm to km. From mm all the way to km. Divide by 10, divide by 100, divide by 1000. That means I'll be dividing with how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I will divide by 6 zeros. That means I will divide by 1000. And when I divide this by 1000, I will get 40 km. Now, what is your score? 4 over 7, 5 over 7, 6 over 7, 7 over 7. I don't want anything. 1 over 7, 2 over 7, 3 over 7. My students guess from here up. So, thank you for stopping by. I remain Tutor Cletus Okoli. Please subscribe to my channel and may God bless you.